Hey there, Big Mo here from FomoPops. In this short video, we will make a widget together. We will do a quick rundown on how FomoPops can work the best for you. You will be able to see how to actually tune it so it can maximize conversions on your website, or encourage more booked calls, downloads, signups, or any other desired action within your funnel. Depending on your niche, market, and overall goal, you may want to have different settings set on your widget. And we will cover all of that in this video. So without further ado, let's get started. So we will start by clicking on Create New button on our homepage. This will create new widget for us, which we can further edit. Now, the first thing we will do is give it a name. This name is only visible to you and won't be shown to visitors. It helps you keep track of your widget among all others you create. Then we will choose our theme. Theme fully depends on your website and your preference. On some websites, dark theme looks better, while on others, light theme is a better option. So whatever you like more. Next step is to choose CTA message. This will fully depend on what actions you want to highlight to your visitors. If you're selling products, you may want to choose just purchased or added to cart. If you're offering digital downloads or lead magnets, then downloaded or filled a form works better. If you're in service or education, signed up for or booked a call for will resonate more. Select the CTA that best matches your funnel goal. After that, we will move on to design. Here you can pick from multiple visual styles for your widget. Each design has a different background, border, text layout. Some are more subtle, while others are bold and attention-grabbing. You should pick a design that fits the look and feel of your website and matches your brand colors. Next step is picking out the locations of cities and countries for your widget. Now, you can opt out, and that's perfectly valid, but it is recommended that you keep location option visible, as it increases believability of your widget. The general rule of thumb is, only choose countries in which you actually sell. We will choose United States and United Kingdom for demonstration purposes. Now, you will want to select yes for a blur city name option for a simple reason. When someone sees your FomoPops widget and notices that the city name is blurred, they will naturally assume that an actual purchase has occurred. It will also signal that you're protecting your customers' private information, which also builds trust. It won't even cross their mind that the purchase might not be real. So for better results, leave it on. Next step is adding your product. Start by typing in the product name on the left and clicking Add. We will add FomoPops Monthly and FomoPops Lifetime. You will also notice a percentage split bar at the bottom. This determines the ratio, how often each product will be shown compared to others. For example, if you set monthly to 70% and lifetime to 30%, the monthly product will appear more often. You can also add a redirect link for each product. This means if someone clicks on the widget, they'll be taken directly to the page of your choosing, whether it is a product page, checkout, or some landing page. This is a powerful way to drive instant action from the widget itself. Below the product list, you'll see the option to enable a badge. Turning this on will display verified by line inside your widget. Depending on what builds the most trust for your audience, you can choose between given options like Stripe or Gumroad, or even write your own custom text. This small detail adds an extra layer of credibility and reassurance to your widget. Next step is display options. Here you decide how often and in what order your widget appears. You have three options. Linear, where your widget will appear every X seconds exactly as you set it. For example, if you set 7 seconds, it will show up every 7 seconds consistently. Random, instead of a fixed schedule, widgets appear at random intervals between X and Y seconds. This makes the timing feel more natural and less predictable to your visitors. And AI, which uses smart logic to decide the best moment to show your widget. Then you'll configure the stay duration. This determines how long each widget stays visible once it appears. You can choose between 3 seconds, 5 seconds, or 7 seconds. Shorter durations create a quick, subtle effect, while longer durations make sure the visitor has enough time to read and engage. Finally, you set the position of your widget on the screen. You can place it in any of the 4 corners: bottom right, bottom left, top right, top left. Most websites use bottom left or bottom right, since they feel natural and don't interfere with the main content. We will move on to the last tab, which is rules. This is where you define which pages of your website should display the widget. First, you need to enter your base website URL. This is required as at least one website URL must be added for the widget to work. For example, FomoPops.com. Once you enter the base URL, you can add more URLs if you want it to be shown on more pages. By setting these rules, you control exactly where your widget shows up, making sure it has the most impact. We are done and ready to hit the save button. This will prepare your widget and generate the embed code, ready to be added to your website. We've also prepared step-by-step guides on how to add it. So whether you're using WordPress, Shopify, or any other website builder, the setup won't take more than 60 seconds. For this tutorial, we won't go through adding the widget itself, but you can always check out the how to add page for detailed instructions. That's it, your FomoPops widget is now ready to go. With just a few clicks, you've created a powerful social proof tool that helps build trust and boost conversions on your website.